is, you guessed it, another bun video. This is a super easy bun you can do. I generally like this bun as a low bun, but you can definitely do it higher up on your head as well if that's what you like. So I'm gonna do it as a low bun today, but if you wanna see me do it higher up or in the middle of my head, wherever, let me know in the comments and I can do another video showing you how to do that, or just experiment and try it yourself, and maybe it'll work out for you and you will surprise yourself with your amazing skills.
Start by gathering your hair into a ponytail. I'm using a smaller hair tie for this one. Don't tie it so tight that you're going to break your hair, but tie enough that it's not going to slide out. Then you're going to use a smaller elastic to tie about 3/4 of the way down, leaving a small tail at the end. If your hair is longer, you can leave a longer tail, and that's fine. Then you're going to bring that small hair tie up to meet the bigger hair tie at the top of your hair. Take that tail, wrap it up, over, and back down under to hide the hair tie, and you're going to secure those little hairs at the bottom with a bobby pin. You can obviously take care to make this a little bit more smooth and tidy, but you know that I like my looks to be a little bit more soft and messy because I feel like it just gives my hair more fullness and texture. So that is how you create that super cute bun. It is super fast and super easy.
There we go, quick and easy bun style. Leave my bangs out, of course, but you can also curl your bangs or you can curl your whole hair, and that will give this look a completely different vibe than if you do it in straight hair. But I've been liking doing some of my updos in straight hair lately because I am trying to use heat on my hair less, and now that we're in the winter months and my hair is a bit drier. This bun is super, super, super beginner friendly. So if you try it out and you struggle with it, or if you try it out and you love it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know how it worked out for you and if you felt like it was beginner friendly, because I'm trying to do lots of styles that people who are new here and maybe haven't really done much with their hair yet can achieve with some success. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe because it really helps me out on my channel. And if you're not already a subscriber, we would love to have you here as part of the DIY Hair School family. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye, guys.